In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect the Chatgpt extension for writing Gmail emails in 2025. This process is designed to be quick and easy, so let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to your Chrome web store. Once you're there, you'll want to search for the Chatgpt Writer extension, which specifically targets composing emails and messages using artificial intelligence. This tool is tailored to integrate seamlessly with your browser, making the task of generating email content as simple as it can be. After you locate the extension, click on it and proceed to add it to your browser by selecting the Add Extension button. Installing this is straightforward, and in just a couple of moments you'll see the Chatgpt extension icon appear in your browser toolbar. With the installation complete, go ahead and click on the icon and you'll be prompted to log in using your OpenAI account credentials. If you already have an OpenAI account, simply enter your credentials and get ready to explore the capabilities of this incredible tool. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry, as signing up is a quick and easy process. Once you're logged in, you're all set to start using the extension. The next step is to head over to Gmail. Upon landing on the Gmail interface, locate the Compose button, which is typically stationed on the left-hand side. Clicking on this will open up a fresh email draft for you. Now, take a closer look inside this new email editor. Here you'll find the Chatgpt Writer icon, usually positioned conveniently at the bottom or to the side of the Compose window. Click on the Chatgpt icon and a pop-up window will appear. This is where the real magic happens. You will have the option to fill in your own prompt or choose from a set of pre-made suggestions. Whether you're aiming to draft a formal business letter or a casual note, this extension is designed to offer suggestions that suit your style and needs. Once you've decided on your prompt or chosen a suggestion, simply click on the Send to AI button or hit Enter. In just a few moments, you'll see the AI in action as it generates content for your email. It's incredibly fast, and within seconds, you'll have a draft created right before your eyes. There you go! You have successfully integrated the Chatgpt extension to effortlessly craft your Gmail emails using AI assistance, streamlining your communication process with originality and ease. Enjoy composing emails with a touch of AI-powered magic, and let me know how this extension changes the way you write emails. Thanks for watching, and make sure to click like and subscribe for more helpful videos like this.